The most exclusive luxury homes demand a high standard of quality and design. Open up a world of possibilities with custom millwork that can truly make a space stand out. Whether looking to update one room or renovate your entire home, Manhattan Millworks will bring your design dreams to life.
I got started in millwork at a very young age. I was about 19 years old, and we started right away in high-end luxury homes, and 40 years later, I've never left this industry. Custom woodwork is anything probably out of the realm of standard woodwork. We all need cabinets. We all need doors, windows, etc. All of these involve woodworking. But what we don't need, and we do an awful lot of, are things like theaters, wall paneling that is just aesthetic, detailed fireplace mantels, all types of running trim. Our woodwork is very opulent and it's in your face. You know, it's hard to ignore, but it does add a lot of charm to the finished product. People like to showcase all the different elements involved in a luxury home building, and woodworking is one of the premier subject matters as far as most people are concerned with their house.
Staying ahead of all the newest design trends while blending tradition with modern aesthetics is what sets custom millwork apart and ensures that your home reflects your unique style and personality.
A lot of the houses that we're working on today are either contemporary or modern. Woodworking has had to change substantially because typically woodworking was very detailed and layered, and now we are doing, it's almost a less is more philosophy. We're showing less, but we're putting more into it to adapt to the more modern and contemporary architectural representations in the high-end luxury home. We're often asked by owners after they complete their build to get involved in a variety of custom pieces. They come to us with just about anything, whether it's a 16-foot long dining room table or a contemporary furniture piece that they just can't find if it can be built in the world of wood. Depending on how much energy, time, and finance, we will take on the project.
It's where craftsmanship and creativity meet functionality.
It's important that as we begin each project, we try and organize with the general contractor and the people that we're going to be working alongside and try and coordinate a schedule, because everything needs to go in a certain order. So we try and make sure that people are available when we're going to be installing these things or ahead of us and going ahead and getting the things we need in the places we need them. Every project is unique. Some are easier than others. As you peel back the layers of the onion, you discover new things that you weren't prepared for, as we do some of these, some from the ground up, some remodels, more so in the remodels, and you have to learn to adapt and learn to adjust, to get that end result we're all looking for. Keeping a high standard is very important to us. We want to achieve the client's expectations. We want to give them a quality product at the end of the day, so that's important to us, and so that's what we strive to do.
From start to finish, working together and maintaining relationships for years to come.
Working with Steve in Manhattan Millworks was a really good experience. All the way from the shop drawing to the installation, it was a seamless operation and they were very organized, and it was a pleasure to work with them. They did everything here from cabinetry to finished carpentry. Their efficiency and professionalism and the quality of their work was fantastic.
I like the challenge aspect, and I like the design aspect of dealing with things that probably haven't even ever been done before. And I sit down with my team and we break it down, and we just feel like anything is possible in the world of wood as long as you put the right processes in place. My advice to anybody considering a high-end luxury home project is sky's the limit. Do your homework, because in today's world, it's all possible. It just depends on your managing that process and hiring qualified people to be involved with you. But let your voice be heard, and chances are you're going to end up with an amazing project.
For more information about Manhattan Millworks, visit their website at manhattanmillworks.com. And of course, visit our website, designingspaces.tv.